Do you dream of a fully funded master's or PhD abroad, where your tuition, living expenses, housing, and even travel are fully covered? What if one application could give you all of that, plus professional development, leadership training, and access to a global network of scholars? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about the WashU McDonnell Scholars Academy Scholarship. This scholarship includes full tuition funding, a generous monthly stipend, relocation and travel support, modern housing near campus, leadership development, and opportunities for global exposure. In this video, we'll cover Section 1, Benefits of the Scholarship, Section 2, Eligibility Criteria, Section 3, Other Requirements, Section 4, How to Apply, Section 5, Application Deadline and Timeline, Section 6, Important Tips to Increase Your Chances. If you're serious about winning competitive scholarships, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because you're going to get massive value today. Section 1, Benefits of the Scholarship. Let's take a closer look at the exceptional benefits the McDonnell Academy provides to its scholars, setting it apart from other graduate opportunities around the world. First, you receive full tuition coverage for an eligible master's or doctoral program at Washington University in St. Louis, one of the top research universities in the United States. This means you can focus on your studies and research without the burden of tuition fees, allowing you to pursue your academic passions to the fullest. In addition, the Academy provides a generous monthly living stipend designed to cover your everyday expenses, from housing and groceries to transportation and personal needs. This financial support ensures you can enjoy a comfortable and balanced student life while living in St. Louis. You'll also benefit from a relocation allowance, making your move to St. Louis smooth and stress-free. Plus, the Academy offers travel support for academic conferences, research trips, and professional development opportunities, helping you expand your horizons both academically and professionally. Scholars have access to modern private housing located within walking distance of campus. This convenient and comfortable living arrangement fosters a close-knit, supportive community where lifelong friendships and collaborations are formed. Beyond financial and housing support, the Academy offers exclusive leadership training, communication workshops, and ongoing mentorship from world-class faculty. You'll also participate in cultural and global immersion experiences that broaden your perspective and develop your skills as a future leader. The program includes access to international symposia, educational field trips abroad, and a vibrant global alumni network, connecting you with accomplished professionals and peers from around the world. The McDonnell Academy is more than just a scholarship. It's a comprehensive leadership academy that empowers you to grow academically, professionally, and personally, preparing you to make a meaningful impact on the world. Alright, so Section 2, Eligibility Criteria. To be eligible, you must apply for, or already have applied to, an eligible full-time graduate program at Washington University in St. Louis. You need a bachelor's degree or higher before the academic year begins. You must be entering your first year of a master's or PhD program, not already enrolled. Applicants from any country or university can apply, though, candidates from McDonnell Academy partner universities may receive priority consideration. International and US applicants are both welcome. And remember, you cannot apply only for the McDonnell Academy. You must have a valid graduate program application submitted first. Now moving on, Section 3, Other Requirements. Alright. Let's break down exactly what you'll need to prepare for your application. First up is the personal essay. This is your chance to share your story, your motivations, and what makes you unique. The essay should be no more than 750 words, so be concise, but make sure your personality shines through. Take your time to brainstorm, draft, and revise. This is a key part of your application, so don't rush it. When it comes to formatting, make sure your essay is saved as a PDF file. It should be double-spaced, use a 12-point standard font like Times New Roman or Arial, and have 1-inch margins on all sides. These details might seem small, but following them shows you pay attention to instructions and helps reviewers read your work easily. In addition to your essay, you'll also need to create a 2-minute video introduction. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself beyond the written word. Let your enthusiasm and personality come through. You can record this on your phone or computer, and it doesn't need to be professionally edited. Just make sure you're in a quiet, well-lit space and speak clearly. Once your video is ready, upload it to a shareable platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or Google Drive. Double-check that your link is set to public or unlisted, and test it from another device to make sure reviewers can access it without any issues. Now here's some good news. The official website doesn't mention any specific age requirement for applicants, so it's open to a wide range of students. Plus, there's no application fee for the McDonnell application, which makes it even more accessible. Another relief for many international students. There's no specific IELTS or TOEFL requirement for the scholarship itself, so you don't need to worry about submitting those scores just for this application. However, keep in mind that your chosen graduate program might have its own English language test requirements, depending on your academic background and where you studied before. So be sure to carefully review your program's admission criteria and prepare any additional documents they might need. Okay, moving on, Section 4 is all about how to apply. Applying to the McDonnell Academy at Washington University in St. Louis might seem overwhelming, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through every step of the process. Let's break it down together so you know exactly what to expect and how to prepare. Step 1 is to choose an eligible graduate program at Washington University in St. Louis. Take your time to explore the different departments and programs offered. Make sure the program you select aligns with your academic interests and career goals, and that it's listed as eligible for the McDonnell Academy Scholarship. Step 2 is to submit your graduate program application through the official WashU graduate application portal. Carefully fill out all required fields, upload your transcripts, and provide any supporting documents requested by your chosen program. Step 3. After you've submitted your program application, regularly check your application status portal. This is where you'll receive important updates and notifications about your application's progress. If your program is eligible, you'll see a special link to the McDonnell Academy application appear in your portal. This is your invitation to take the next step toward this prestigious opportunity. Step 4. Click that link to access the McDonnell Academy application. Here, you'll need to upload your written essay, which should highlight your achievements, goals, and why you're a great fit for the Academy. You'll also submit a 2-minute video link introducing yourself and sharing your story. Step 5. Review all your materials carefully. Double-check your essay, video, and any other required documents. Once you're confident everything is complete, submit your McDonnell application before the deadline to ensure you're considered. Step 6. Track your application status through the portal and keep an eye on your email for any updates or requests for additional information. If you're accepted into your graduate program, your McDonnell Academy application will then be reviewed for the scholarship. This is an exciting stage, so stay positive and hopeful. Final decisions for the McDonnell Academy Scholarship are typically released between late March and mid-April. Be sure to check your email and portal during this time, and good luck on your journey. Before we continue, this is just a quick reminder that if you want to dramatically improve your scholarship documents, your essays, your study plan, your CV, and even your recommendation strategy, make sure you check out the Scholarship Success Pro course. It will help you optimize your application materials and, honestly, significantly increase your chances of winning fully funded scholarships. Also, please comment below and tell me what country and city you're watching from. I'd really love to know where you are joining from. Section 5. Application deadline and timeline. For the 2025 to 2026 academic year, the application deadline is January 31st, 2026. The application period opens when your chosen WashU graduate program application becomes available. Make sure you submit your graduate program application early enough so that you have time to access and complete the McDonnell Academy application. Section 6. Important tips to increase your chances. Tip 1. Use your essay and video to demonstrate leadership, global awareness, and community involvement. The Academy strongly values these traits. Tip 2. Clearly show how your studies and being part of the McDonnell Academy will help you create impact, locally or globally. Be specific and forward-thinking. Tip 3. Submit early and make sure your graduate program aligns with your long-term goals. A polished, well-structured essay and a confident, clear video presentation will make you stand out. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit. Best of luck with your application, and I hope to see you as one of the next McDonnell scholars.